Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the combo number 9011V replacement wide finger vinyl seal is what this is. This is a replacement insert only. This is literally a 36-inch length item. And this video is to simply serve as visual and dimensional evidence of what this item is. This is a replacement insert for a variety of different products. And those products are listed down below. That would be the 101, the 151, the 201, the 221, the 223, the 225, 227, 251, 253, 257, 261, and 281 models. And this is vinyl. This is black. And some basic dimensional properties. Customers will say, I need an insert and sell me one. Okay, here's the problem. There's lots and lots of people who have made door bottoms that will all take something that will receive a T-slot sort of scenario like this. So, some basic dimensional properties. The width of the top of the flat portion here, 0.218. 0.218 wide. The width of the unit, the outside width, obviously this is vinyl, so we're just really trying to not compress it. I'd say we'd be at about 1.14. 1.14. Then the thickness of the T-flange itself, 0.048, 0.048 thick. Then a center to center on those 2 points, let's say would be about 0.98 inch. About 0.98 inch center to center on those 2 T-flanges. I've got that crushed over there a bit on the side. So what I'm saying is from this vertical portion here to the center of this vertical portion here, about 0.98 inch. Okay. Overall, to the fingers, I'd say would be about 0.332. 0.332 from here down to here. Okay. Listed in the site in just typical lengths, 36 inch, 48 inch, 32 inch, etc. If you want a 100-foot roll, order 20 5-foot pieces and indicate ship this as a continuous roll of 100 feet, that sort of scenario. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the combo aluminum products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. A bit of a unique product offering that they have. They most definitely focus on the residential weather stripping of the residential door market, and they have some solutions there that you're just not going to find from other people. You might be looking for something that you can't find. It could be in the combo book. They have definite market penetration. Door sweeps, other material that will fall into the commercial realm a little bit in terms of the automatic door bottoms, but very appropriate for residential applications as well. And an offering of residential thresholds are here as well. Okay, for the pre-hanging industry, lots of different profiles of that material. So if it's residential that you're looking for, a very, very developed offering of material that they have. So I would review that material. Any questions on the combo 9011V replacement black vinyl insert for those several models of door bottoms mentioned earlier, or any other combo product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.